Hi, it's Emmy from the Start.ca service desk, and today we're going to do a real quick video on how to enable closed captioning. There are two ways to do this. First, we'll go into the Start TV settings by pushing the Start TV button on your remote, and going up to the settings gear, pushing the up arrow a bunch of times, and click on that little settings gear by hitting the OK button. Closed caption is in the display settings, so navigate down to that and select it with the OK button. And then once you're in the closed captions menu, you can hit up or down to select whether you want on or off. Hit OK once you have the setting that you like, and then just hit back a bunch of times, and away you go. You can do the same thing to turn closed captioning off. So hit the Start TV button, go up to the settings gear, and in the display settings, you can turn it on or off. So I'm going to turn it back off. A second way to enable it is by pushing the OK button anytime during a show. When you do that, you can see the playback controls down at the bottom by navigating down and selecting them. So here you can see closed caption button. When I selected it, the closed caption is turned on. Nice and easy. You can also turn it off doing the same thing. Just hit the OK button, hit the down arrow, hit OK again, and you're good to go. If you run into any trouble, don't hesitate. Give our service desk a call. We're open 24/7 and a support agent would be happy to help you out. You can also get help on our social media pages. Thanks for watching.